Hey, you're going to want to stop for this message. Trust me, it's going to cost you if you don't. Well, I'm Dr. Travis Davis here with Pure Money. And if you're a minority business owner over the age of 28 who's looking for ways to generate more revenue, this message is going to be specifically for you. I'm going to share with you how to position your business in SAM.gov as a qualified contractor to do business with all federal government agencies, giving you exclusive live access to me, your industry expert, and a community of other like-minded minority business owners to support and encourage you along the way of this journey of government contracting. You'll learn the hidden secrets to government contracts that require no proposals or no competition. What I like to call this is the cheat codes of the contracting world. This information is valuable, and it's helped over 10,000 businesses just like yours generate enough income to scale their business, build wealth, and gain more time with their loved ones. I'm offering a virtual boot camp called the 7-Day Federal Government Contracting Challenge, and it's yours for just $297. You'll leave this boot camp with the confidence to pursue contracts with the world's largest customer and the ability to generate the kind of revenue you've been dreaming of this entire time. Did I mention that the government spends over $4 trillion a year, and 23+% of that must go to minority small businesses just like yours? So if you're ready to take your business to the next level and turn your dreams into a reality, I need you to click that link below and sign up today, and I'll see you on the next chapter of our 7-Day Federal Government Contracting Challenge. Now let's make some pure money.